Welcome to my channel, English Learn Kids.
Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. Brush your hair. Take a shower. Drink plenty of water. Eat healthy foods. Trim your nails. Get enough sleep. Exercise daily. Bath every day. Clean your room. Play games. Pray to God. Study regularly. Help others. Follow rules. Wash my face. Go to school. Go home. Watch cartoons. Keep your classroom clean. Be a good friend. Share. Stand in a queue. Water plants. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.